Okay, we're going to do a few more practice problems together because subtraction takes a lot of work together, and I'm not with you, so I need you to do this with me on this video. I'm going to use page 177, 178. This is not enough room for you to do subtraction. You don't write as small as a typewriter. So you need to use paper. I'm going to do a couple on line paper, and then I'm also going to show you what it would look like if you used 1 centimeter grid paper, which you can print off the internet for those of you who have access to doing that, which would be great. So 177, 178, I'm just going to grab a few problems. I'm going to do number 2. Okay, number 2 is 856. Now I really want you to spread them out a little bit. Minus 219. Pause the video if you need to keep up. Go back, watch it again. If you need to watch it again, if it's going too fast, watch it again. Go back. That's the cool thing about a video. Okay, so on this one, again, can I take away 9 from 6? No, I can't. So I have to regroup. I've got to go over here to the 5 tens. Take 1 away, that makes 4, and then I'm shifting a 10 over to the 6, so that makes 16. 16 minus 9 is going to be 7, because 7 plus 9 is 16. Think about those fact families. Now 4 take away 1, I can do that. I don't need to regroup here. 4 take away 1 is 3. 8 take away 2 is 6. Now let's see, is our answer reasonable? 856 would round to 900. 219 would round to 200. If I subtract, that's 700. Okay, guys, these are close. So I know my answer is reasonable, but I don't know if it's correct. So to find out if it's correct, I start with the number I finished with. I add what I took away. 9 plus 7, 16. Carry my 1. 5, 8. I got what I started with, so this is correct. There's my work. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to do number 4. 431 minus 145. Line them up, spread them out so you have plenty of space. Can I take away 5 from 1? No. Go over to the 3, regroup, take 1, make it a 2, then shift 10 over, make it an 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Can I take away 4 from 2? No. I have to regroup from the 4. The 4 becomes a 3, the 2 becomes a 12 because I'm moving 10 over. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 286. Let's see, 431 rounds to 400, 145 rounds to 100. Take that away, 300. That is reasonable. Now let's see if it's correct. Take your answer, 286, add what you took away, 145. 8 plus 6 is 11. Carry your 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry your 1. That would be 4. 431. That matches what I started with, so my answer is correct. Okay, I'm going to do the next couple on grid paper. For those of you that are having trouble lining up, you have got to be this neat to get things correct. So I need you really working hard. If you need help lining things up, 1 centimeter graph paper works really well. I'm going to do number 9. Number 9. And if I'm doing graph paper, I can just show my work on here and it works great. 629. Notice I put a number in each box. Take away 453. Now this one's a little different because look at the first one. I can take away 9 from 3. Okay, or 3 from 9. Sorry, I can do 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. But when I get here, I can't take away 5 from 2. That number on top needs to be bigger. Okay, and it's not. So I'm going next door. 6 becomes a 5. And then 2 becomes a 12. Now I can subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now let's do our estimation. That would be 600. 450 is going to be 500. And then that would be 100. And that makes sense because I took 50 away right here. Oh wait, it's more than, yeah, I went almost 50 up. Since this is right in the middle, this is going to be a little bit more off, okay? But it's still close. But to find out if I'm right, take what you ended with, add what you took away. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And that is what I started with, so this is correct. Now, you don't have to do this every time. This is just showing you how mental math is really helpful in everyday life. This is what I would really like for you to do every time, because on a test, you're not going to just be asked, is it reasonable? You want to know if it's correct. So this is going to help you know if it's correct. So today, when you're doing your practice, I would like for you to do the subtraction and the checking addition to see if it's right. And I'm going to show you how to do that next.